was excited that God has favored us this much, and you have gone in at the proper academic requirement. Little did I know that at All Roberts University, we would not get just degrees, we would get the gift of Malina. She had a very good job in Korea, as Robert had said previously, but she made a decision to journey to Uganda. She crossed oceans and seas at a very risky time. At that time, I was recovering from COVID, so I wasn't able to pick up Malina. I wasn't able to prepare Malina's, place of abode, and I was just filled with guilt trips. Then, but I remember thinking to myself, even if I was to go now, my son would be in the best hands. I recovered to meet Malina, and I was shocked. Robert had told me he was dating somebody, and he said, "Mom, you love her. She's everything you have ever wanted me to marry." And I have never seen anyone so domesticated. Malina was cooking for my whole clan. Uncle Arthur, Uncle Ted would come here weekends. She was doing all the buffets. She was doing Sunday roasts. She was doing Thanksgiving, turkey, cooking for 30 people, 40 people. And I thought to myself, what?